What is up, YouTube? It is your guy Tim Pips Daily here with another video. You know how we rocking. Let's get right into it. We're looking at EU, Euro, USD. I'm in a current sell position right here. Not the best entry, however, an entry nonetheless, which will hit my TP. I'm going for about, I think it's like 15 pips. Yeah, about 15 pips. You guys gotta understand, I'm a scalper, right? So I'm not someone that wants to be in the market for 20 hours going for 100 pips. Like, I'm not saying that's not an effective way of trading or what have you not, but it's just not my style of trading. I'm usually going for 10-15 pips in and out onto the next trade, right? So so I'm going for 15 pips, and I have my stop loss, I think it's about 30 pips, which is about 1 to 3 risk ratio there. I'm okay with that. I place my stop loss right above this little resistance zone over here. It's something that I see as a resistance zone, so if price does reach up here, then I was just in the wrong and my analysis wasn't correct, but I'm pretty sure it's not. My entry, like I said earlier, wasn't the best. I can tell you exactly what would have been the more ideal entry. Would have been right here. If y'all can see that doji right there. Hold on, all right, so you see that doji right here? That right there would have been my ideal entry. You see a lot of resistance zone over here. I would definitely have gotten in and then have put my stop loss maybe above right here where my stop loss is currently. But I think I was like playing Call of Duty or something like that, so I didn't see that entry. So fast forwarding, I seen that I missed it. So I was looking at the market's been looking at it. I seen this nice bullish candlestick, but I was like, it's a seller's market right now. So let me look at the next candlestick. Looked at the next candlestick, and I'm big on price action. I don't know the exact technical terms for these names. I would say maybe this is like a reversal hammer. I don't know, but this candlestick made me see that, okay, yeah, price definitely it's a seller's market in my eyes. So got it right at the 12900 level. So I'm up like 50 pips here. Not a lot. I said 50. I'm up like 5 pips, but I'm just gonna let her run. 15 pips, going for about $137. You really can't beat that. So we're gonna see where she goes, even if she.
A few moments later.
Let's get it. All right, yo, I'm back. As you guys can see, I took another position, another sell position. It was like a little pull back, so I was like, yo, let me get in. I think this is a great teaching moment for anyone, honestly, because you want to trade to profit, not to trade to prove yourself right. My TPs have no really set, like, yeah, it's definitely going to hit my TPs. Like, you don't know at the end of the day. Like, no one can tell you yes or no. Like, if you did know where the market was going, you would be a millionaire. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really gonna close these trades out. I'm probably up about maybe 20 pips in total with 2 trades. Also, you know, it doesn't hurt that, you know, I'm in the profit for CAD too. I'll drop a video why I got on this trade as well, maybe another time. But really about to close these trades out and just, you know, go to sleep. It's 1 in the morning. Probably wake up around 7, get ready for New York. So guys, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to hit me up on my social media. Links in the description box below. And like I always say, guys, never let a blue turn red. I'm out.